Alrighty, check it out. We just finished up right here. This 2017 Chevy 2500 HD. We equipped this truck right here with our premium package. Check that out right here. We equipped this truck with our premium package. If you got one of these trucks and you're looking for this type of look, let me show you what you need to do. For the suspension, we did a 5-inch rough country lift. We paired up this kit with the Vertex shocks with the reservoirs. This is going to allow for maximum off-road capability and on-road comfort. We also did the shocks in the rear. These are going to make your HD trucks drive a lot smoother. Make sure you guys have that nice, comfortable ride on the road. Wheel and tire package, we did these XF 20-inch wheels with a gloss black mill. And then for the tires, we did a 37, 12.5, 20 Nitto Ridge Grappler. These wheels are about a 20 by 10. Check out the poke on this. It's got about a negative 18 offset. With this kit, it's going to level out the truck from front to rear. Check out that nice stance. This is our premium package, so it's going to consist of a 6 or bigger lift kit with your choice of 17, 18, 20-inch, 22-inch wheels with some 37 or bigger tires. So if you got one of these HD trucks, this would apply to your 2011 to 2019 Chevy or GMC 2500 HD, 3500, and you're looking for this type of look, this is exactly what you need. We can get you right here at Cosmos Truck Accessories, Phoenix, Arizona.